Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a faceless, creepy kind of looking effect in Photoshop for cover art. Yeah, let's get straight into it. Alright, so on the right is kind of what we're going for. This is kind of the effect. I'm going to be using a picture from his Lyrical Lemonade video. And I found this frame. It looks pretty fire, and I think it, you know, shit like this kind of works really well with this whole effect. Alright, so what you want to do is you're going to go ahead and go to the tool under the eyedropper. So it's going to look like this. It's going to be the spot healing tool first, but you just want to right click, you want to go down to the healing brush tool. Now once you have that, you want to go ahead and you want to rasterize your layer. If you guys are wondering how you feather your brush, make it bigger or smaller really easily, all you have to do is hold Alt and right click, go up, drag down. That's how you feather it, and then kind of go left, go right to kind of make it bigger or smaller. So once you have this brush selected, what you want to do is, you know, hold Alt in the selected area. This will kind of sample an area that you know you want to use. So I'm going to sample here at the cheek, and I'm going to try and get like a nice clean look here. Just get the cheek, just kind of cover the whole eye like so, and I'm going to try and just feather it, kind of just make it blend in a bit more, just like that. And you just want to do the same for the rest. So you could do, you know, the nose, you could do the lips, you could do the eyes, you could do the eyebrows, you could do really whatever facial feature you want. This is just going to create that faceless kind of look, but for this I'm just going to do the lips and the eyes. I might test out how the actual nose looks like removed, but yeah. So when you're going for the lips and like things like that, you still want to go for the cheek, because if you don't, if you're sampling down here, say the chin, it's gonna sample the lip up here, so it's gonna follow the whole face, so it's gonna leave you with kind of like a weird sample. So just go for the cheek, and it will blend in itself, like it matches the colors, and it's just automatic basically. So you just want to go like that, and you're gonna get this creepy kind of look that looks nice. Now here I'm just gonna go and get more of a darker, or more of a closer kind of effect. So maybe on the forehead, just go like that. I think that looks fire. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over to my adjustment pack, and I'm going to get adjustment here. So I'm just gonna get the first one, I'm gonna copy it, paste it over, and I'm just gonna enable it. And yeah, so that just gives it kind of finished look. If you guys do want to go ahead and get that, I will leave a link to it in the description down below. It has a lot of different looks just for different, you know, covers, so you can test around, you know, kind of drag the image in and just go through them all. Alright, so one more thing I did was I went to blur gallery, go to iris blur, and you want to create a point here. So this point I'm going to put in the middle. I'm going to kind of bring this, make it kind of narrow, just kind of for the face. I'm going to bring blur up a little bit like so, bring it like that. Then I'm going to put another point here down at his shoulder kind of. I'm just going to bring this up just like that, and that will give you kind of like a really nice cinematic kind of blur that, you know, you guys can use in your covers. And this, you know, this kind of reminds me of some yearbook kind of thing. So if you guys are doing something like that for your album, this is perfect. Now that's basically it for the video. You can also add your parental advisory, add a parental advisory like this. I like to keep it small. I'm gonna have it right there. I'll probably put it to screen, just kind of match the whole thing. That's basically it for today's video. If you guys did enjoy the video, make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe, and if you guys do want to go ahead and get the adjustment pack, make sure you guys go ahead. I do have them on my website, caution.com, and along with other cover art presets that you can just drag and drop images into.